Students, this is Sivakumar, 12th Standard Business Mathematics and Statistics, Chapter number 2, Continuation of Exercise 2.9. Problem number 2. Using the properties of integral, evaluate integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sine squared theta d theta. I consider this integral as I equals. Again, look at the limits minus a to plus a model. Very similar to that first problem. So, I consider sine squared theta as f of theta. Let f of theta that is equal to sine squared theta. We have to verify the given function is odd or even. So, I take f of minus theta. That means replace theta by minus theta. So, sine squared of minus theta. Sine squared of minus theta means sine of minus theta the whole square. We know very well sine of minus theta equals minus sine theta. I have given in that note. Sine of minus theta and minus sine theta are same. Whole square. So, while squaring, the minus becomes plus. Sine theta the whole square is sine squared theta. What is sine squared theta? F of theta. So, finally what we have proved? F of minus theta equals plus f of theta, which implies f of theta is an even function. Therefore, what is the property? Integral minus a to plus a f of theta d theta that is equal to 2 times 0 to a f of theta d theta, since f of theta is an even function. Therefore, the given integral I equals 2 times 0 to pi by 2. Please listen. What is given? Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 becomes 2 times 0 to pi by 2 according to this property. Minus a to plus a becomes 2 times 0 to a. So, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 becomes 2 times 0 to pi by 2. F of theta. What is f of theta? Sine squared theta d theta. We have to integrate. Particularly in integration, there is no direct formula for sine squared theta. So, what to do? You have to apply a trigonometric formula for sine squared theta. So, sine squared a equals, we know that 1 minus cos 2a whole divided by 2. That is a formula for sine squared a. Instead of a, what is the angle here? Theta. Therefore, write 0 to pi by 2 as it is. Sine squared theta can be replaced by 1 minus cos 2 theta whole divided by 2 into d theta. 2 to get cancelled. So, this can be separated as 1 into d theta limit 0 to pi by 2 minus cos 2 theta d theta. Cos 2 theta d theta integral 0 to pi by 2 equals integral dx is x. So, integral d theta is theta limit 0 to pi by 2. How to integrate cos 2 theta? We know that integral cos ax dx formula 1 by a sin ax. Okay. A is the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x here? 2. So, according to that formula, 1 by a that is 2 sin 2 theta. Integration is over. Limit 0 to pi by 2. Now, we have to apply the limits. First upper limit, then lower limit. Replace theta by pi by 2. So, pi by 2 minus lower limit 0. So, pi by 2 minus 0. Minus 1 by 2 right as it is. Here you have to apply the upper limit, then lower limit. What is upper limit? Pi by 2. So, sine 2 into pi by 2. First write half sine 2 into pi by 2 minus sine 2 into lower limit. What's the lower limit? 0. You have to simplify. Pi by 2 minus 0 equals pi by 2 minus half, right as it is. 2 get cancelled. Sine pi minus sine 2 into 0, 0. Pi by 2 minus half. Pi means 180 degree. Sine 180 degree equals 0. Sine 0 value also 0. 0 minus 0. Note. Remember, sine 0 and sine 180 both equal to 0. Equals pi by 2 minus 0 minus 0, 0. 0 into anything is 0. So final answer pi by 2. So problem number 2 is over. I'll be teaching problem number 3 in the next video. Thank you, children.